Hi, I'm Marlies.
And I'm Karabo, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to thread your sewing machine. So Marlies has an Empisal 889, an expression 889 in front of her. It is a front loader machine. You will have seen in one of our other videos we showed you how to wind your bobbin. And then I've got the EES 200. It is a top loader with an automatic threader, which makes a little bit of difference right at the end, but we will be showing you how to thread on both machines. So generally the idea is all sewing machines thread similarly. It's just, small things like the position of your hooks, etc., that will make a difference.
True. Okay, by threading your machine, you're going to start with hooking it in there. From here, you're going down, around there, and your take-up lever over there. Please make sure that it's properly hooked in your take-up lever. If it is not properly in your take-up lever and you start sewing, that is when it's making a bunch at the bottom and you can't sew. So always make sure that it's there. Go down from here. There's a hook before you get the needle, and from the needle down you can then thread your needle. Okay, when your needle is threaded, you will see still your bobbin thread is not, it's not up. So when your needle is threaded, hold the top thread, take your flywheel, turn your flywheel always towards you, pull the thread, and when you see there is your extra thread, and you can take that, and that is your bobbin thread also now on the top. You move it to the back and your machine is ready, it's threaded and ready to sew. Karabo, are you coming right there?
I am. I'm just trying to get my thread. Oh, there it is. And there we go.
Okay, and that is how you thread a machine.
Simple.
For home.co.za, online shopping the easy way.